We have big scientific questions that can't be answered with just a handful of professional scientists. Every observation that anybody makes can be important. To answer questions of a big geographic scope and scale, we need a lot of people involved, and we need lots of different kinds of expertise. We find way more together.
In 2008, we found that the harbor porpoises returned to San Francisco Bay. They'd been gone for about 65 years. There was certainly a lot of pollution in the bay a long time ago, and World War II, there was a submarine net all the way across the bay from Sausalito to San Francisco, and that would have prevented any big animals, including harbor porpoises, from entering and leaving the bay. The bay's been cleaned up, and our motto is, if you clean it, they will come, and they're coming in for the food. We used to go out in boats and try to study them, but they would just run away from you because they're kind of shy animals. But from the Golden Gate Bridge, we were able to get great photos and really begin to understand their lifestyle and life history. The San Francisco Bay is a big area, and we four marine biologists cannot cover it. So we rely on members of the public to help us with sighting information. We track them here by photographing them in their natural environment, just with their natural pigmentation or scars or little marks on their dorsal fin. We've tracked some animals over 5 years, the same individuals in San Francisco Bay. We're looking at how they feed, how they're doing courtship, how the babies are interacting with their mothers.
The more information we share, the more information we compile, the better we can understand what these animals are doing. It's a continuing story, and this is probably a reflection of the changing environment in the ocean. Resources are moving around because some of them are averse to warmer water, so they're moving north. And this is not only happening locally, it's happening worldwide.
Individual observations are what make up the collective observation. It's important to get people involved and to have people realize that they have a voice and what they see makes a difference. Along our coast, we're seeing ranges change. Things like spiny lobster, hundreds of miles north of its known range limit. And anyone who's walking along the beach might encounter or see a spiny lobster molt or shell and can take a picture and share that. Then that helps us understand what's happening in the ocean. Together, everyone's individual observation helps us understand where plants and animals are found now.